Avast Cleanup Premium is a comprehensive PC optimization tool designed to improve the performance and speed of your computer by removing unnecessary files and optimizing system settings. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features make it accessible to users of all skill levels, providing an easy way to keep your system running smoothly. The software includes a variety of cleaning tools such as Disk Cleaner, Registry Cleaner, and Browser Cleaner, which help to remove junk files, temporary files, and other unnecessary data that can slow down your system. One of the standout features of Avast Cleanup Premium is its sleep mode, which temporarily disables resource-hogging applications and processes, freeing up system resources and improving performance. The software also includes a startup manager that helps to optimize startup programs, reducing boot time and speeding up your computer's startup process. Additionally, Avast Cleanup Premium offers a disk defragmenter that helps to optimize the layout of files on your hard drive, improving access times and overall system performance. Avast Cleanup Premium also includes advanced features such as automatic maintenance, which regularly performs cleaning and optimization tasks without requiring manual intervention, and a software updater that helps to keep your installed programs up to date. Regular updates and a responsive customer support team ensure that Avast Cleanup Premium remains an effective and reliable tool for system optimization. Overall, Avast Cleanup Premium is a comprehensive and user-friendly solution that provides a wide range of tools for keeping your system running smoothly and efficiently, making it an essential tool for PC maintenance.